Hi everyone, my name is Thanh Huyền. Today we're learning Northern Vietnamese. In this lesson, we learn how to pronounce the very common Vietnamese family name Nguyen. Many foreigners find this word tricky, but don't worry. We break it into a clear step, focusing on lips, tongue, airflow, and tone. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to produce the initial nasal sound ng. Shape your lips and tongue to make the vowel uyên and the final nasal n. Control the ngã tone. We start with our initial consonant ng. 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 Okay, about lip shape. Lips relax, slightly open. Tongue position. Back of the tongue pressed against the soft palate. Back roots of the mouth. Airflow. Let air flow through your nose, not your mouth, similar to the ng in sing. Repeat after me. Ng. 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 About the vowel cluster. Uyên. This is a glide. U plus ear. So, step 1. U. Lips rounded and push forward. Step 2. Ear. Lips spread into a slight smile. Tongue moves forward and high. And the final consonant, n. Your tongue position, tip of the tongue touch the upper gum ridge behind front teeth. Airflow. Air comes through the nose, soft and short. Repeat after me. No. 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 Our combination will be uyên, uyên, uyên. How about the tongue? Ngã. In Northern Vietnamese, this tongue start mid, has a brief glottal stop, a catch in the throat, then raise sharply. Imagine your voice dips for a microsecond, then shoots upward. Throat filling, slight closure, then release. Repeat after me. Mã, mã, mã. Our full combination will be Nguyễn, Nguyễn, Nguyễn. Okay, practice time. Repeat after me. Ngờ, ngờ, ngờ. And then uyên, uyên, uyên. So we have Nguyễn, Nguyễn, Nguyễn. Let's move on to our second activity, slow motion combination. Nguyễn, Nguyễn, Nguyễn. And full speed repetition. Nguyễn, 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 Nguyễn. Excellent work. Today you learn the nasal ng at the start, the glide vowel uyên, and the nasal ending n, and the special Northern ngã tone with a glottal stop and raising pitch. Practice slowly in front of a mirror, then increase your speed. Soon you pronounce Nguyễn like a native. If this breakdown was helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more Vietlingo lesson. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Cảm ơn, xin chào và hẹn gặp lại.
That's the end of today's lesson. Thank you so much for watching and learning Vietnamese with us. If you'd like to experience our teaching style in person, we'd love to invite you to a 30-minute free trial lesson with one of our experienced Vietlingo teachers. Just scan the QR code and book your spot. We've helped thousands of learners around the world speak Vietnamese with confidence. And we can help you too.